The fascination with mummies is a captivating element of human history, bridging the gap between the ancient and the present. Mummies, in essence, are the preserved remains of humans or animals, which have been protected from decay through natural processes or intentional embalming techniques. This preservation captures the imagination as it offers a tangible connection to civilizations long past, providing insights into cultural practices, beliefs, and everyday life. The significance of this fascination lies in its ability to draw both the public and scientific communities into a deeper exploration of history and science. Mummies serve as time capsules that offer a wealth of information about ancient peoples, their health, societal structure, and environmental conditions. This makes them invaluable to archaeologists, historians, and anthropologists who seek to reconstruct the past. For example, the discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922 unveiled not just a mummy, but a treasure trove of artifacts that informed researchers about the opulence and religious practices of ancient Egypt. Similarly, the naturally preserved mummy known as Ötzi the Iceman, discovered in the Alps in 1991, provides a unique snapshot of life over 5,000 years ago, including insights into prehistoric diet, tools, and even healthcare practices. The allure of mummies extends beyond academic circles. Many people are captivated by the mysterious aura surrounding them, often fueled by stories of curses or supernatural phenomena. This cultural aspect enriches the dialogue, with some researchers and enthusiasts believing these stories prompt further interest and study, while others criticize them as sensationalism that detracts from scientific inquiry. However, the study of mummies is not without its controversies. Ethical concerns arise regarding the display and examination of human remains, with debates centering on respect for the deceased versus the potential knowledge gained. Additionally, the interpretation of findings can sometimes lead to disputes among scholars, particularly with the application of modern technology that may challenge long-held beliefs. This fascination with mummies is integral to understanding the broader topic of their preservation. It paves the way for investigating the scientific methods behind mummification, from ancient techniques to contemporary conservation efforts. As curiosity drives exploration, it simultaneously fuels advancements in science and deepens our connection to the past, making it an essential entry point into the intricate world of mummies and their preservation. The history of mummification practices offers a fascinating glimpse into the diverse ways ancient civilizations grappled with the concept of life after death, giving rise to a multitude of preservation techniques. Mummification, in its essence, refers to the process by which human or animal remains are preserved for extended periods, protecting them from natural decay. This practice holds immense significance as it provides critical insights into the cultural, spiritual, and technological advancements of ancient societies, anchoring our understanding of the science behind preservation. One of the most recognized examples of mummification hails from ancient Egypt, where the meticulous process involved removing internal organs, treating the body with natron, and wrapping it in linen. This technique not only underscores the Egyptians' belief in an afterlife, but also highlights their sophisticated understanding of human anatomy and chemistry. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922, with its well-preserved treasures and the pharaoh's mummy, cemented the fascination and significance of Egyptian mummification in the modern era. Another notable example is the Chinchorro mummies of northern Chile and southern Peru, dating back over 7,000 years, which are among the oldest intentionally mummified remains. These early mummies reveal that mummification was not limited to prestigious individuals, but was a communal practice, providing insight into the egalitarian nature of this society. Opinions supporting the study of ancient mummification practices often point to the invaluable historical and cultural data gleaned from these preserved remains. They allow researchers to reconstruct ancient diets, health, social hierarchies, and even migration patterns. However, challenges arise in the ethical domain, with some arguing that the display and study of mummified remains can constitute a disrespect to the deceased, sparking debates about the treatment and rights of ancient remains. Additionally, the variations in mummification techniques across different cultures challenge a one-size-fits-all understanding, emphasizing the need for culturally sensitive studies. The exploration of mummification connects closely with other aspects of preservation science, such as the development of conservation techniques in modern times and the study of decomposition processes. Understanding ancient methods enriches our grasp of how organic materials can be preserved, influencing contemporary practices in archaeology and forensics. Furthermore, these insights bridge ancient and modern scientific communities, inspiring technological advancements and ethical discussions about the preservation of human dignity in death. As we delve into the science behind preservation, the history of mummification stands as a testament to humanity's enduring quest to transcend mortality, leaving an indelible mark on cultural legacy and scientific exploration. The science of desiccation and preservation delves into the fascinating process by which organic materials, including human remains, are preserved over extended periods, often lasting thousands of years. Desiccation, the removal of moisture, plays a crucial role in this preservation process. By eliminating water content, desiccation halts the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms responsible for decomposition. In the context of mummies, this method of preservation ensures the remains retain their structure and provide a window into ancient civilizations. This process is significant in the study of mummies, as it helps archaeologists and scientists uncover invaluable information about past cultures, health, and environments. Understanding desiccation and preservation offers insights into the materials and methods ancient cultures used, potentially reflecting their beliefs, rituals, and societal structures. Two notable examples illustrate the effectiveness of this natural preservation process. First, the Chinchorro mummies of Chile and Peru, dating back to around 5000 BCE, are among the oldest intentionally preserved human remains. These mummies were created using a combination of natural desiccation due to the arid Atacama desert climate and deliberate embalming techniques by the Chinchorro people. In another instance, the naturally mummified remains found in the Tarim Basin of China showcase the effectiveness of the region's arid conditions in preserving bodies, which provide insights into the migration patterns and genetic makeup of ancient populations. Scientists and historians generally agree on the importance of studying mummies to gain a better understanding of historical contexts. However, the process and ethics of examining these remains can spark controversy. Some argue that the treatment of ancient human remains should be conducted with respect and sensitivity to the descendants and cultural traditions of these individuals. This perspective presents a delicate balance between scientific inquiry and cultural preservation. Desiccation and preservation not only provide insights into how ancient civilizations treated their dead, but also influence other aspects of mummy studies, such as the methods used in modern conservation efforts. By understanding these ancient processes, scientists can develop strategies to preserve mummies and other artifacts for future generations. Overall, desiccation and preservation are central to the broader study of mummies, acting as both a method and a metaphor, preserving the past while illuminating the paths that led to our present. Mummification, an ancient practice primarily associated with ancient Egypt, was a meticulous process that involved specific tools and techniques aimed at preserving the deceased dead for the afterlife. The primary goal was to prevent decay and maintain the body's integrity, which was believed to be essential for a successful resurrection and journey into eternity. These tools and techniques are a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of ancient cultures in preserving human remains. The significance of understanding the tools and techniques used in ancient mummification lies in the insight it provides into the cultural, religious, and scientific advancements of past civilizations. By studying these methods, modern science gains a deeper appreciation for the sophistication and knowledge of ancient people concerning anatomy and chemistry, which continues to influence current preservation techniques in archaeology and forensics. One of the most iconic tools used in mummification was the embalming hook, which was employed to extract the brain through the nasal cavity. This practice highlights the ancient Egyptians' understanding of the body's functions and their drive to remove elements that would accelerate decay. Another essential technique involved the use of natron, a naturally occurring salt mixture to dehydrate and preserve the body. Natron's effectiveness in moisture removal illustrates the ancient embalmers' astute observations of natural processes, which are mirrored in modern chemical preservation methods. Supporting opinions suggest that the tools and techniques of mummification reveal a profound respect for the human body and a complex belief system that transcended mere superstition. Egyptologists and historians argue that this practice underscores the cultural significance of the afterlife in ancient societies and emphasizes their advanced empirical methodologies. However, there are challenges and controversies associated with interpreting these ancient practices. Some scholars argue that modern perspectives may inadvertently romanticize or oversimplify the mummification process, potentially overlooking its socio-economic and class-related dimensions. Moreover, ethical concerns arise in studying and displaying mummified remains, as it raises questions about cultural sensitivity and the rights of the dead. Tools and techniques used in mummification not only reflect the scientific acumen of ancient civilizations, but also connect deeply with their cultural and religious paradigms. These methods influence our understanding of history and underscore the timeless human desire to transcend mortality, effectively bridging past and present perspectives on life, death, and preservation. Through this exploration, we gain a comprehensive view of the intricate dance between cultural beliefs and technological innovation in the ancient world.